city gantry, wagon gantry come online. Head guard control room में report करें. Hello, my name is Sukruti Shrotriya. I joined HPCL in year 2017. It has been 7 years since then. I am presently working as Manager Automation at Vadodara Terminal. Terminal automation system is the heart of the terminal. It ensures smooth operation of all the departments of the terminal, may it be pipeline receipts, tank truck loading, wagon loading, and even functioning of safety equipments. TAS ensures improvement in productivity and efficiency of the location by reduction in manual interventions. Terminals basically receive, store, and transport petroleum products through various modes of transport. Vadodara Terminal is 6-day working location wherein in case of emergency, we are required to act quickly and spontaneously. वैगन गैंट्री आपके HCD से अलार्म आ रहा है, चेक कीजिए. We should be able to reach the location on first call itself. TAS officer should be available 24/7 to all the operation departments to attend any automation related issue at site. My typical day at work starts by entering the location with all the safety protocols and further checking the functionality of the automation equipments. During the day, I meet various people like management and non-management employees, external stakeholders of statutory authorities like Legal Metrology Department, TT crew, contract workmen, security, and many others. The golden rule of automation is to follow the system and do not bypass the logic. The primary responsibilities of the automation officers include control room handling and transportation and coordination during fire drills. Number 2 is upkeeping of the smart terminal parameters like OLA screens, video unit, auto indenting, auto density printing, auto invoicing, auto dosing of additives, and many others. Next one is the key responsibility of the TAS officer to sustain dip elimination at the location. This ensures transparent culture with our stakeholders. Regular verification of the mass flow meters in every 3 months is mandatory, followed by annual stamping of meters. Daily 5% tank truck checking is also mandatory at all the locations. क्या क्या भरा है? हाँ, 20 डीजल और 4 पेट्रोल, 24 की गाड़ी है. वे नंबर 12. Technology advancements at location are to be done by the automation officer. They use artificial intelligence system in the CCTV cameras, smart density meters, outdoor Wi-Fi systems, and many other to enhance the technology at location. Monthly verification of the tank parameters of level, density, temperature, and water is done so that auto accounting of product can take place. Calibration of the static prover tanks and the mobile prover tanks through Legal Metrology Department is also the job of the officer. TAS officer ensures close coordination with the network department to keep all the IT equipments up, may it be for operations, CCTV, CBAC systems, and all the other devices. Periodic testing of the TAS equipments like HCDs, ESDs, smoke detectors, dike walls, VFT proof test, radar proof test, all this is to be done by the TAS officers and records are to be maintained for audit purpose. As a TAS officer, I also perform half-yearly self-audits to identify any of the grey areas in my system. The last one is very important, to impart training to all the stakeholders and employees at the location so that they are more aware about the system and also upgrade them about the technological advancements that we are implementing at our location. During the day, I also take care of some of the secondary activities in addition to my primary responsibilities like preparation of PR, releasing of GRNs, and releasing the payments of the vendors. I also handle the NPCB projects of automation at site. Monitoring of the reports and operational parameters is also done by task officers to keep the performance of the terminal always high. I also conduct various events at the location as guided by the location in charge. My role as task officer at location requires me to be vigilant, conversant, confident, and above all, keen to learn new things so that I can bring new technology advancements. Despite daily challenges at work, every day is a new learning, and this motivates me to perform better. I enjoy my work and look forward to perform in the best manner for the corporation with the best of my capabilities. Keeping the values of HP first, I believe HP है जहां भरोसा है वहां.